Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If your icon is not visible, select this gear next to 3 dots. Then tap on voice typing and click on this gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now, to start typing, click on no visible microphone icon. If you never used this option before, select while using the app in the pop-up. Then start talking. If you wish to stop, click on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!